is the CourseCareers construction project management course worth $499, or is this just some more information you could get from another video on YouTube? I've been in construction for 20 years, and I'm going to approach this video just like I would any other project. My standard is really simple. It basically is, does this course offer an individual with very limited knowledge of construction the practical knowledge it's going to take to get their foot in the door at a base salary and get them working their way up to that 100,000. We all know that no college or course or anything is going to make you a construction project manager overnight. It's something you're going to have to build up to. These real construction PMs out there, they have spent years perfecting their craft. They started out probably with good mentors. They were allowed to make the mistakes. They were given basically just enough rope to not hang themselves, but they were allowed to go out there and make those mistakes and learn from them, and then be taught why they were mistakes and how to actually manage a project. You know, they were able to run real projects with real results, and then they were also able to develop something that's very important in the industry, and that's sub-relationships. You're oftentimes, as a project manager, you're dealing with owners, you're dealing with the middlemen, you're dealing with your company, you're dealing with a city, and then you're also dealing with subcontractors. And that relationship between the project manager and the subcontractor is what makes every project go smooth and what makes every project perfect. Is this a legit course that's going to get your foot in the door for construction project management? So let's start with what you get. Currently, the course is $499. Lump sum. You can pay that out over $150 on a bi-weekly basis, I believe. It's completely online. The course is self-paced. This is probably the most important part. You need to listen. I breezed right through it pretty quick. But it would take someone that put in 3 to 4 hours a week, starting with no knowledge of construction whatsoever, probably about 6 to 8 weeks. If you're putting in 1 to 2 hours and you have nothing, you're looking at, 12 weeks. If you've got kind of a background in construction, you understand the process of submittals, insurance, what your COIs, all the stuff that goes into it. You can probably put that down into that 6 to 8 week range. It also includes LinkedIn Resume Builder, a job guidance search tool that will help you look for jobs that are out there to get your foot in the door. At the end of the course, you're going to have 40 hours of tutorial videos, and then 45 exams, and then one final exam, and then a proctored exam. It also includes a certificate of completion once you complete that proctored exam, which is very important. This is what you're going to put on your resume to show you have completed construction management training. The curriculum begins with organization, leadership, safety, and it then moves into construction administration, which is more the PM side of it. You're looking at contracts, insurance, budgets, invoicing, permitting, plans, specs, specifications, submittals, scheduling, RFIs, everything that goes into that. And it also introduces you to coordination, access of major trades, including like your civil sheets with your structural sheets, with your architectural sheets, things like that. That's just a really broad overview of what all the course offers. And for a complete beginner, that's huge. It matters. You'll need to understand how all the pieces connect before you can manage any project. So this is what kind of lays that foundation. And then later on in your career, you will build on that as you move forward. What I really liked about it, it covers a complete project life cycle. So it starts from your SDs all the way through to completion and closeout, which is very rare to get all that information in one place where you can manage it, understand it, absorb it. You go to college and it's a semester on this, a semester on that. 4 years later, you're in the same place. But I'm not knocking college. If you're in college, keep it up, guys. Construction world needs you. The second strength is the vocabulary, or kind of the lingo. If somebody comes up to you and says, we got to submit an RFQ for this, what's an RFQ? What are we doing here? So that may sound kind of basic to some of you, but that terminology is very important that you understand it. You do not need to be an expert in all the terminology, and don't be afraid. You're the new guy. Nobody trusts you. It's just the way it is, but everybody's there to help you. If you got a good company, a good crew, everybody's there to help you. Everybody wants to succeed. Everybody wants you to succeed, and they want to keep you with them. So don't be afraid to ask questions. You need to understand the context of the conversation to be able to keep up and to be able to learn. So this is what CourseCareers does a great job of setting that vocabulary foundation, allowing you to build more topics inside that. So I don't think you're really paying for hidden information. I think you're just paying for a few repetitions because you're getting those reps in. It's all organized in a logical sequence. So instructor experience is the next thing I want to talk on. Ryan, the instructor that was over the course I went through, I think he liked to be called Ike or something like that. I can't remember. Something interesting like that. He has more than 20 years in the industry as well, so he knows through experience exactly what construction companies are looking for. And if that's something that doesn't speak volumes for this course, I don't know what else can. Because a lot of people come in and they've got a guy with probably as much experience as they do, maybe just a little bit more. He's ran a job or two teaching them a course, and that's not the case here. Construction education becomes weak when you have a breakdown in the communication and an understanding of how the project cycle operates. For real projects to become live, it involves so much more than just a couple of people talking. There's contract requirements, schedule pressures. It's just so broad, and Ike understands this. So as an instructor who understands that and knows how to present that to you in a logical manner, that's a huge win for you. I had a little bit of trouble in this area, limitations. The course does an excellent job, I think, for a beginner to really get their foot in the door. But what it kind of doesn't do, and I'm reaching here on this first one a little bit, but a certificate of completion is not going to guarantee you a job. That's on you. You're going to have to go out there. You're going to have to look for these jobs. You're going to have to apply. You're going to have to go through the interview process. You're going to have to use the tools that are provided to you by CourseCareers to locate a job. That part is on you, 100%. They can only give you the information. What you do with it is what you're going to do with it. Now, second is job site judgment. There's a whole string of safety that is covered in the course, but your judgment on a site, safety, for me, safety is always up to me. I'm responsible for my own safety. I've always felt that way. And not only am I responsible for my safety, I'm responsible for the safety of those below me, and I watch out for those above me. You just can't teach that. That's something that comes with walking the job site. That's something that comes with being out in the field with the guys. Those are things that cannot be taught in a course. You've got to learn that by going through the motions. The final thing that they don't really touch on, any procedures. Every company has a different procedure. Every company has a closeout procedure that's different. I've worked for several and they're all different. It teaches you the broad overview. It does not teach you the exact thing your company's looking for. That's up to you to learn. Completing the lesson is not enough. You're going to have to take that material prep for the interviews if you want to get the job. Who this course is for? This course is for you out there that are pursuing an entry-level job and would like to be a project engineer, a project manager, a project coordinator, an assistant project manager, and working your way up to a project manager. I'm not marketing this as a shortcut to getting that. There's still going to be more work involved. Don't quit your job, take this course or anything like that. I've had to talk a few people off the cliff. People that shouldn't buy it are the people that don't want to get ahead, don't want to better their lives, or just are flat out not interested in construction. This career path is very rewarding. It's treated me very well. I started out in the field. Now I'm in project management, and you deal with a dynamic group of people, from billionaire owners to nonprofits that are looking for an end result to help better the community. So the people that shouldn't buy it are the people that are not wanting to put in the effort, make the connections, and work towards a goal with someone else. How to get the most value from this is probably take the free introduction course. Free's free. Free's good, right? take the free introduction course. If you like the introduction course, then go ahead and you think this is a career path you want, you like the introduction course, go ahead and spend the $499. That's going to give you the information that I've already gone over, and you'll get all the tools that I've already gone over, and you can start your career path. It's a great opportunity. My final call on this is, yes, this is the perfect course for a beginner. Everyone out there that's looking to get into construction management should start with this course. Understand what you're buying. Understand the foundation that you're building. Understand that you're not buying experience on the job site like I just talked about. You're buying a foundation. You're buying something that cannot be obtained in the field. You're buying the knowledge, the workflow, the logistics of that knowledge. You're not buying the title either. You're buying a shot at the title. You're going out there and you're going to build something that changes people's lives. You're going to put together somebody's dream. And you need to know what you're doing. You're going to spend millions and millions and millions of other people's dollars. So if you're curious about this, take the free course. Check my link in the description below. It'll get you there. And you can get $50 off using my link. Because it's an affiliate link, I still may earn an additional commission off of that. But it's no cost to you. Practical construction career advice. Follow Build Smart with Will Martin. And I will help you get your foot in the door in the industry and tell you what you need to know. See you in the next one.